Brother MFC-J995DW sublimation printer, user's choice. The next on the list is the Brother MFC-J995DW. It was tough to decide between these two printers because both of them are considered the best in the sublimation printing market. On buying this printer, you will get cartridges along with it, which will save you money and you will get to print right away. It is simple working and its components are available easily in the shops. The Brother MFC-J995DW sublimation printer comes with amazing features, all in low costs. It is cheap, so you get uninterrupted printing along with saving a lot of money. It also requires minimal effort when it comes to finding the right ink, as it is compatible with almost all the printer inks. It is equipped with a meter that shows the ink levels as well. Having compatibility of using SD cards, you can make this printer print your personal or information documents easily by just inserting the commands and using basic controls to get the printout easily.